Hello friends, we are going to study tie-set matrix, fundamental loop matrix. So what is tie-set matrix or fundamental loop matrix? So tie-set matrix gives the information of branch currents in terms of fundamental loop currents. Let us assume we have one simple complete graph. I have taken many times this graph in the previous lecture, so it will be easy to analyze the same kind of graph. So this is the complete graph, and number of nodes in this graph is 4, and the number of branch in this graph is 6 here. So the number of links will be equal to L is equal to B minus N plus 1. So this will be equal to 6 minus 4 plus 1 is equal to 3. So when we are finding out the tie set matrix T, the size of that tie set matrix will be equal to L cross B. So for this graph, if we write the matrix, then the size of that matrix will be equal to 3 cross 6. Also, the number of links will be equal to number of fundamental loop current. So the number of link is 3 for any tree. If we draw the tree for this complete graph, then the number of trees will be equal to n to the power n minus 2 for the complete graph, and we know that this is the complete graph, so that will be 4 in to the power 4 minus 2 means 16. So for this complete graph we can draw 16 number of tree, but we have to select one tree to understand the concept of tie set matrix. Now I am going to draw that tree. One simple tree is for this complete graph is this is A, this is B, this is C, and this is D. So AB, BC, and DD will be the twigs, and from the dotted line AC, AD, and CD will be the link. So link will be equal to AC, AD, and DC. So we have 3 links here. It means we can write 3 fundamental loop currents. Like I am writing the main direction of 1, 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. And again I am going to draw the fundamental loop current here in this tree. So when we will write the fundamental loop current direction, that will be in phase of links. So this I1 will be in direction of 4, I2 will be in direction of 5, and I3 will be in direction of 6. You can see very clearly from here. So now I am writing here the tie set matrix, and we know that the size of tie set matrix will be equal to 3 cross 6 here, and that can be written as L1 loop 1, L2, L3, and B1 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. B1 to B6. So now we are going to write the tie-set matrix. If we will see 4, 4 is in direction with I1. So here I will write plus 1. We will compare each branch current in first loop with I1. If the branch 2 is in direction with I1, then that will be plus. So for the 2 it will be plus, but for first branch we can see that I1 is not in direction with 1, so here we will write minus of 1, and rest of them will be 0, 0 and 0. And for the second loop, if we will see, then 5 is in direction with I2, so here plus 1, and 3 is in direction with I2, so plus 1, and 2 is in opposite direction, so here it will be minus 1. Rest of them will be 0, 0, 0. Or for L3, 6 will be equal to plus 1, and 1 is in opposite direction, so here it will be minus 1, and 3 is in direction with I3, so here it will be plus 1, and rest of them will be 0, 0, 0. So here if we can see, we write the fundamental loop matrix or tie set matrix simply. If we want to see more into this, then we can divide this into twigs and links. Here are the equation of the current of links, and here it is twigs. We can see in the figure also 4 branch is in direction with I1, 5 branch is in direction with I2, and 6 branch is in direction with I3. Means this is link, 4 branches link, 5 branches link, and 6 branches link, and 1, 2, 3 are, we can easily see, twigs. If any question has been given in exam, the tie set matrix, and we have to find out which one is twigs and which one is links, we have to see carefully that where the identity matrix has been forming. So here for 4, 5, C, if you will see clearly that this is the identity matrix, and this is the matrix of twigs, and this is the matrix of links. So however the question will be asking, and we are gonna get that answer, and we have discussed all the concept. Now few more concepts are remaining. We can write branch currents in terms of fundamental loop currents. So if we assume first branch current is I1, second branch current is I2, third branch current is I3, fourth branch current is I4, five branch current is I5, and sixth branch current is I6, then we can write I1 is equal to minus of I1 minus of I3. Let us assume L1 in terms of I1, L2 in terms of I2, L3 in terms of I3. So I1 is equal to minus I1 minus I3, I2 will be equal to plus I1 minus I2, I3 will be equal to plus I2 plus I3, I4 will be equal to I1, I5 will be equal to I2, and I6 will be equal to I3. So what we have been written in the definition is tie set matrix give the information of branch currents in terms of fundamental loop currents. Here we can easily see that I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6 are branch currents, and I1, I2 and I3 are loop currents. So branch current can be written in terms of loop currents. Start. So here is the tie set matrix for this given graph. Tie set matrix satisfies the voltage equilibrium. It means tie set matrix satisfies the KVL, and the number of links will be equal to number of KVL equation in any graph. And from the given graph, we can write that for any loop, the voltage across first branch is minus V1, voltage across second branch is plus V2 plus V4 is equal to 0. You can see in the first row, so minus V1 plus V2, 0 into V3 plus V4, 0 into V5, 0 into V6. So minus V1 plus V2 plus V4 must be equal to 0 from the first loop, and from the second loop minus V2 plus V3 plus V5 must be equal to 0, and from loop 3 we can say that minus V1 plus V3 plus V6 is equal to 0. So here these all are the KVL equation. If in any question there have been given the larger number of nodes and the larger number of branch, then it is very difficult to observe that how many number of KVL equation we can write. But if we know the formula, this formula, that the number of KVL equation will be number of links, so with the formula we can easily tell in the examination. So now one more thing is, for a complete graph, how many number of tie set matrix can be written? For a complete graph, how many number of tie set matrix can be written? We know that for a complete graph, total n to the power n minus 2 trees can be formed. So the number of trees will be equal to number of tie set matrix. So the number of tie set matrix will be equal to n to the power n minus 2 for complete graph. And if the graph is not complete, then we will find out the reduced incidence matrix, and with the help of reduced incidence matrix we can find out the number of trees. Then after finding out the number of trees, then we can say that the number of tie set matrix we can write. So what we have studied till now, that first is we determine the branch current in terms of loop current. The first, this is the definition we have discussed. Second point is it satisfies the voltage equilibrium equation. And third is the size of tie set matrix will be equal to L cross B, we have discussed. And the rank of tie set matrix will be equal to L, and that will be equal to B minus n plus 1. Always remember, we have seen that for many kind of graph the rank of the matrix was n minus 1, but not in this case. In this case the rank of tie set matrix will be equal to B minus n plus 1. So here it is all about the tie set matrix. Thank you.